The pyramids of Egypt, timeless, immense mysteries carved in stone. For centuries, these colossal structures have captivated explorers, historians, and dreamers. They stand as a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of a civilization that thrived millennia ago. The sheer scale of the pyramids begs the question, how did they do it? The Great Pyramid is a true behemoth, originally standing at 481 feet tall. This monumental structure has fascinated historians, archaeologists, and tourists alike for centuries. Its sheer size and the precision with which it was built continue to baffle experts. The Great Pyramid, also known as the Pyramid of Khufu, was constructed during the 4th dynasty of the Old Kingdom of Egypt, around 2580–2560 BC. It was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years, a testament to the ingenuity and skill of the ancient Egyptians. That's taller than the Statue of Liberty. To put it into perspective, the Statue of Liberty, from the base to the tip of the torch, stands at 305 feet. The Great Pyramid surpasses this by a significant margin. Imagine the awe and wonder it must have inspired in those who saw it for the first time thousands of years ago. The comparison helps us appreciate the scale of the pyramid in a modern context, highlighting the incredible achievement it represents. It covers an area of over 13 acres and is estimated to contain over 2 million stone blocks. Each of these blocks was meticulously placed to create a structure that has stood the test of time. The base of the pyramid is a perfect square, with each side measuring approximately 756 feet. The precision with which the base was laid out is astonishing, with the sides deviating by less than 58 millimeters. This level of accuracy is remarkable, especially considering the tools and technology available at the time. Each block weighs an average of 2.5 tons, with some weighing as much as 15 tons. The logistics of transporting these massive stones from the quarries to the construction site is a subject of much debate and research. Various theories have been proposed, including the use of sledges, rollers, and even water transport. The sheer effort and coordination required to move and place these stones is mind-boggling. It speaks to the organizational skills and labor force of ancient Egypt. Imagine moving even one of those. The workforce, estimated to be around 20,000 to 30,000 laborers, would have included skilled craftsmen, laborers, and support staff. These workers were not slaves, as was once commonly believed, but rather a well-organized and compensated workforce. They lived in nearby workers' villages, where they were provided with food, shelter, and medical care. The construction of the pyramid was a massive communal effort, reflecting the society's dedication to their pharaoh and their belief in the afterlife. These blocks, primarily limestone quarried nearby, were carefully shaped and fitted together with astonishing precision. The outer casing stones, made of highly polished Tura limestone, would have gleamed brilliantly in the sunlight, making the pyramid visible from miles away. The precision with which these stones were cut and placed is so fine that even a knife blade cannot fit between them. This level of craftsmanship is a testament to the skill and knowledge of the ancient Egyptian stonemasons. The interior of the pyramid is a labyrinth of chambers and passages leading to the king's burial chamber, which itself is a marvel of granite construction. The Grand Gallery, a steeply inclined passageway, leads to the king's chamber, which is constructed entirely of granite blocks weighing up to 80 tons each. The precision with which these massive blocks were placed is astounding. The chamber also contains the famous red granite sarcophagus, which was carved from a single block of stone. The design and construction of the internal chambers reflect a deep understanding of engineering and architecture. The precision and scale of the pyramids point to a deep understanding of mathematics, astronomy, and construction techniques. The Great Pyramid is aligned with the cardinal points of the compass with an accuracy of up to 0.05 degrees. This alignment suggests that the ancient Egyptians had a sophisticated knowledge of astronomy. Additionally, the pyramid's dimensions are based on a complex system of measurements that reflect a deep understanding of mathematics. The construction techniques used to build the pyramid, including the use of levers, ramps, and counterweights, demonstrate a high level of engineering skill. The hieroglyphics and inscriptions found within the pyramid provide further insights into the construction process and the people who built it. The Great Pyramid remains one of the most impressive and enduring symbols of human achievement. The ancient Egyptians didn't have modern machinery or iron tools, so how did they shape and move these massive blocks? They used tools made of copper and stone along with wood and ropes. Copper chisels and saws were used for cutting and shaping the stones. Wooden levers and rollers were likely used to move the blocks, possibly lubricated with water or mud to reduce friction. Evidence suggests that ramps made of earth and brick played a crucial role in lifting the blocks to higher levels during construction. Section 4. A nation's might unraveling the labor mystery. The construction of the pyramids was a massive undertaking, requiring a huge workforce. These monumental structures, which have stood the test of time, were not just architectural marvels, but also a testament to the organizational prowess of ancient Egypt. The sheer scale of the project meant that thousands of workers were needed, and this workforce was meticulously planned and managed. Contrary to popular belief, it wasn't slaves who built the pyramids, but skilled laborers. These individuals were highly trained and specialized in various aspects of construction, from stone cutting to engineering. The myth of slave labor has been debunked by numerous archaeological findings, which show that the workers were actually respected members of society. These workers were farmers who were conscripted during the flood season of the Nile when their labor wasn't needed in the fields. The annual flooding of the Nile was a predictable event that rendered agricultural work impossible for a few months each year. During this time, the farmers would turn their attention to the construction of the pyramids, contributing their skills and labor to this grand national project. They were organized into teams and housed in nearby villages, where archaeologists have found evidence of bakeries, breweries, and even medical facilities. These villages were well planned and equipped to support the workers, providing them with food, drink, and medical care. The presence of such facilities indicates that the workers' well-being was a priority, and they were not merely expendable labor. This suggests that the workers were well cared for and that building the pyramids was a matter of national pride. The construction of these monumental structures was a collective effort that brought the nation together, and the workers took great pride in their contribution. The pyramids were not just tombs for the pharaohs, but also symbols of the nation's strength and unity. Hieroglyphs and ancient texts provide further evidence of the respect and honor given to these workers. They were often depicted in art and inscriptions, highlighting their important role in society. These depictions show workers engaged in various tasks, from quarrying stone to transporting massive blocks, showcasing their skills and dedication. Modern archaeological discoveries continue to shed light on the lives of these workers. Excavations have uncovered tools, personal items, and even the remains of the workers themselves, providing a glimpse into their daily lives and the conditions they worked under. These findings have helped to paint a more accurate picture of the labor force behind the pyramids. The grandeur and scale of the pyramids are a testament to the incredible effort and organization that went into their construction. Each stone block, each carefully planned angle, and each intricate detail speaks to the dedication and skill of the workers. The pyramids stand as a lasting legacy of their hard work and the collective effort of an entire nation. As the sun sets over the pyramids, casting long shadows across the desert, we are reminded of the enduring beauty and mystery of these ancient structures. They continue to captivate and inspire, standing as a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the people who built them. The labor mystery of the pyramids is not just a story of construction, but a story of human achievement and national pride. Section 5. Secrets in the Sand, intriguing insights into pyramid construction. The pyramids of Egypt have long fascinated historians, archaeologists, and tourists alike. These monumental structures, standing tall against the backdrop of the desert, hold secrets that are slowly being uncovered by modern science and research. Archaeologists have uncovered fascinating clues about pyramid construction. Through meticulous excavation and analysis, they've pieced together a more comprehensive understanding of how these ancient wonders were built. Each discovery adds a new layer to our knowledge, revealing the ingenuity and skill of the ancient Egyptians. One intriguing discovery is a system of canals and harbors that likely transported the heavy stone blocks from quarries to the construction site. This network of waterways would have been essential for moving the massive stones, some weighing several tons, across vast distances. The use of water transport highlights the Egyptians' advanced engineering capabilities and their ability to harness natural resources to achieve their architectural ambitions. Imagine the logistical challenge of moving millions of tons of stone. The coordination required to transport these blocks, align them precisely, and construct the pyramids with such accuracy is truly astounding. It speaks to the highly organized workforce and the sophisticated planning that went into these projects. The sheer scale of the operation is a testament to the determination and vision of the ancient builders. Another fascinating finding is the existence of quarries that specialized in different types of stone, showcasing the Egyptians' advanced knowledge of geology and quarrying techniques. These quarries were strategically located to provide the best quality materials for different parts of the pyramid. For instance, the outer casing stones were often made of fine white limestone, while the inner core blocks were typically made of a more readily available, less expensive stone. These discoveries provide valuable insights into the organization, planning, and resource management involved in this monumental task. The ancient Egyptians had to carefully plan every aspect of the construction process, from the initial quarrying of the stone to the final placement of each block. This level of organization required not only skilled laborers but also knowledgeable overseers and planners who could manage the complex logistics of such a massive undertaking. Hieroglyphs and ancient texts also offer valuable information about the construction techniques and tools used by the Egyptians. These records provide a glimpse into the daily lives of the workers and the methods they employed to achieve such precise and enduring structures. The tools, although simple by today's standards, were highly effective and demonstrate the Egyptians' deep understanding of materials and mechanics. As we continue to uncover more about the construction of the pyramids, we gain a greater appreciation for the ingenuity and determination of the ancient Egyptians. Their ability to create such monumental structures with the limited technology available to them is nothing short of remarkable. Each new discovery not only answers old questions, but also raises new ones, keeping the mystery of the pyramids alive and intriguing for future generations. The study of pyramid construction is an ongoing journey, with each new finding adding to our understanding of these ancient marvels. Modern technology, such as satellite imagery and advanced dating techniques, continues to shed light on the methods and materials used by the Egyptians. As we delve deeper into the past, we uncover the incredible story of human ingenuity and the enduring legacy of the pyramids.